Hey guys, this is Shubhangi and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 cute ways you can style your hair scarf. This is super easy to do and you can just do them by yourself. So let's jump straight into it.
The first and foremost thing that you should do is brush your hair properly. Then using a rubber band, make a high ponytail at the top of your head. We will require a square scarf. Mine is a little too big, you can also use a smaller one. Fold the scarf diagonally in half to form a triangle. Then just roll and fold the scarf like this. Then place it beneath your pony and tie a knot around it. Adjust the knot by pulling it behind. And you are ready. For the second look, if you are someone who loves to keep your hair open just like me, then this is the one for you. Side part or middle part your hair as per your wish. Then segregate the front part on either side. Clip the remaining hair so that it doesn't come along the way. Then again, using the scarf, form flat folds. Place the folded scarf on top and tie 2 knots behind the head to make it secure. Open the clipped hair and adjust your hair. This is my favorite as this gives a very retro look. For the last look, just make a very loose bun on top of your head. It doesn't have to be perfect as that is the beauty of this look. Then using the scarf, wrap it around the bun and form 2 knots at the side. Pull out hair strands from the front to make it look more messy. This is the easiest and the most effortless look and is the best if you're having a bad hair day.
I hope you guys loved watching this video, and if you want me to make more such videos on different kinds of hairstyles, let me know in the comments down below. Also, do not forget to like the video and share this video with your friends. Bye bye, love you.